Here's how to change from deluxe to free on TurboTax. So right now I'm on the deluxe edition in the do-it-yourself version of TurboTax, and we're going to switch back to the free edition. There's two different versions of deluxe though that you could be on. You might also be on this real experts version, this deluxe here. I'm going to show you how you do this for both. It's a little bit different, but right now I'm on the do-it-yourself one. You can find out what you're on in the upper right. You're going to see price preview, and when you pop that open, it's going to tell you the product that you're on. So I'm on the do-it-yourself deluxe version. And so with that version in the lower left, I see switch products, and I can drop that down, and I see upgrade, downgrade, or clear and start over. In this case, because I'm on the do-it-yourself version, I can click downgrade. And downgrade is going to downgrade to TurboTax Free Edition, which is good for simple tax returns. About 37% of people can file for free. Now we're going to downgrade to free, and it's that simple. It keeps all of our information in there, and it just downgrades us to the free edition. You can click price preview again just to check that out, and you'll see in here we're on the free edition for $0 now. If you do encounter a tax situation in which TurboTax does want you to upgrade, you can just pick the cheapest next option, and you can actually save 20% on any TurboTax product. If you click the affiliate link in the description that helps support this channel, it gets you 20% off of anything you do have to pay. Now, that was for the do-it-yourself, but I showed you the other version, Expert Assist mode, so you'll probably see Expert Assist in live preview, and you'll also see like a person in the lower right-hand corner. So when you go to switch products from that, I'm gonna actually just upgrade to it so I can show you. So I'm upgrading to the Deluxe Expert Assist mode. And then from there, I can see I still have downgrade down here in switch products, but it's gonna downgrade you to the Expert Assist Basic. It won't let you go from this Deluxe to free or from Basic to free. And Basic is not free. So what I would want to do at this point is scroll down in this tax area over here if you've already filled out a bunch of stuff, and go to tax tools and then go to the print center, and inside of there you can preview your tax return. You can maybe save it as a PDF, possibly print it so that you have the information that you've entered, because to get to free from the Expert Assist modes you do have to clear and start over, which means when you click on that, it's going to clear all of your tax data and start fresh. Now that's fine if that's something you want to do if you haven't entered much information. It's a little more of a hassle if you've entered a bunch of stuff in because you have to redo it all. But if you print it out or you have it next to you, you can at least see what you put in there. Now I want to clear my tax data, and I say yes, I clear my tax data. This does not just take me to free though. This will take me to the very beginning, and you have to know the trick to get to free, which is basically once you get past this screen, TurboTax is going to ask you things that apply to your tax situation. That's just to recommend a product for you. So if we say none of this applies and we hit continue, and then we say we're comfortable doing our own taxes, from there when we continue, it's going to show TurboTax. It's going to show the do-it-yourself TurboTax Free Edition, and you can start for $0. And so 37% of people qualify, right? That's kind of what we said. Well, anybody, 100% of people can start for $0. So you click on this, and then on the next one, you do answer this. This is no longer a survey or anything. This is exactly how TurboTax is going to direct your tax return. And so I filed my own taxes last year. I would click on that, hit continue, and I'm going to be brought back to the dashboard with all my return stuff cleared out. So I've got to refill in everything if I had started it before. And then I go to price preview up here just to check, and yep, we're at $0, the do-it-yourself free edition. So we've downgraded from deluxe, both different deluxe modes, to the free edition of TurboTax. Hopefully that helps you. And like I said, there is an affiliate link in the description. So if you run into anything where you do have to pay for one of those products, you can get at least 20% off, and also help support this channel. Hopefully I brought you some value in this video and helped you at least start from free. Even if you have to pay something, maybe you will have to pay like the minimum amount, because that's what I do. When I hit something, I start for free. When I hit something that TurboTax says that's an extra form we have to file, so you need to upgrade to deluxe, for instance. In that case, I would choose that, and because they might also recommend premium, and you get these other options or whatever. I'm just going to click the next cheapest option. So that's my recommendation too. Just kind of keep clicking the next cheapest option so that you don't pay more than you have to file your taxes. That's how to change from premium back to free on TurboTax.